While the basics of car accidents and tractor-trailer accidents are similar, there are several important differences to bear in mind if you are ever involved in a collision. These differences can affect the types and severity of your injuries, the amount of compensation you may be eligible to receive, how difficult it will be to collect compensation, and more. Why truck accidents differ from car crashes? Some of the key differences between car accidents and 18-wheeler accidents include size and weight. A typical passenger car weighs around 2,000 to 3,000 pounds, while a pickup truck or SUV might weigh closer to 5,000 to 6,000 pounds. A tractor-trailer combination weighs about 30,000 pounds when the trailer is empty and might weigh upwards to 80,000 pounds when the trailer is loaded. Commercial trucks are also taller and ride higher off the ground than cars. All of these factors make trucks more difficult to control and increase their potential to inflict serious injuries and damages. The heavier something is, the more force it imparts when it collides with another object. When commercial trucks hit other vehicles, they generally do so with much more force than when two passenger cars collide. More force means a greater chance of catastrophic injuries and expensive medical bills as a result. Truck accidents also tend to result in greater property damage. Special licenses. Truck drivers must carry a special type of license known as a commercial driver license. Drivers must take special steps before they can obtain a commercial driver's license, and truckers must renew these licenses at regular intervals set by the states that issue them. Special regulations. Commercial trucks and their drivers are subject to additional federal and state regulations. These rules dictate how long a driver can be on the road without a break, load limits, inspection requirements, and more. Violation of these regulations before a collision can be used as evidence of the driver's responsibility for the crash. Driver logs and files. Two key sources of evidence in truck accident that don't apply in car accident are the truck driver's logs and information from the truck's electronic data recorded. This information can help an attorney determine what the truck driver was doing before the crash, which may support a plaintiff's claim of compensation. Different types of accidents. Trucks can cause accidents that would be impossible if two similarly sized passenger vehicles collided. For example, if a tractor-trailer suddenly stops in front of a car, the car might slam into the rear of the trailer and become wedges underneath it. This is known as an underlight crash. Tractor-trailers also have large blind spots, make wide turns, and can jackknife. Truck maintenance issues. Trucks are required to undergo regular maintenance at much more frequent intervals than cars. These maintenance checks are crucial to keeping 18-wheelers as safe to handle as possible. A lack of proper maintenance is a common cause of many truck accidents. Additional liable parties. In many car accidents, the only potential responsible parties are the two drivers. With tractor-trailer accidents, the potentially liable parties include the truck driver, the driver's employer, maintenance workers, cargo loaders, the truck manufacturer, leasing companies, cargo owners, and others. multiple liable parties in a truck accident. Anyone hurt in the crash may have to file numerous claims to collect full compensation of their injury. Additional insurance coverage. Depending on whether a truck driver is an employee, an owner-operator, or leases their truck, they may have different levels of insurance coverage. This can affect the amount you can claim in compensation. In general, commercial trucks carry higher insurance limits than private passenger vehicles, often 1 million or more. This is all for today's videos. I hope you guys got a clear idea about differences between car and truck accidents. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please don't forget to suggest me a topic for the next video. Thanks for your valuable time.